How to download DaVinci Resolve. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser and your PC, and then in the search bar simply search for DaVinci Resolve. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the first link that says blackmagicdesign.com. It's the official page. So you want to go ahead and simply scroll below once you are inside this kind of website, and then you'll be able to find an option that says DaVinci Resolve free download now. Go ahead and tap onto it and then select your device. Once you select your device, you want to go ahead and simply fill in your details right over here, and then simply tap on register and download. Once you tap onto it, the downloading will automatically get started in your PC. Also make sure your PC has much storage for DaVinci Resolve to get installed. So once you download DaVinci Resolve, you want to go ahead and simply double tap onto the download and then follow the on-screen instruction to begin the installation process in your PC. And just like that, you'll then be able to download DaVinci Resolve in your PC. And that is the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.